Is the EU walking into a social dumping disaster? Corporate lobby groups are promoting a radical plan called the 28 regime.
Wait, what?
A whole new set of EU-level rules that companies can choose instead of national-level ones. Sounds harmless? Well, it isn't. The term was coined by none other than Commission President von der Leyen, and it could help corporations bypass stricter national-level laws for labor law, for taxation and more, thereby triggering a race to the bottom in social rights. In practice, it would let corporations bypass tougher national laws on things like labor rights and taxation. Trade unions warn that this could create a two-tier labor market where workers are protected in theory, but not if their employer opts into the weaker EU-level regime. Although it's framed as something for startups and innovative companies, big business lobbies are already pushing for the 28 regime to apply to all companies. Tech groups, venture capital investors and major corporate lobby groups like Business Europe have been meeting European Commission officials to make sure this becomes the reality. The European Commission has tried versions of this twice before and failed because of pushback from trade unions, social movements and member state governments. But with political momentum for deregulation, the risk is now bigger than ever. This would mean a race to the bottom, disguised as innovation. If companies are allowed to pick between regimes, then rules for protecting workers will always be sidelined. Will the EU strengthen social rights or create a shortcut that allows companies to bypass them entirely? To avoid a huge setback for social rights, people across Europe need to organize and speak out.